And our site is fed through two different ways. We take trucks in, and those trucks will come in and connect their hoses up to the tank, and they'll go ahead and pump whatever load that they have. And then over at our doghouse, they'll give us how many barrels they're actually putting into the tank. When those trucks pull up, they'll ground themselves first at the front of the truck. They should place out their fire extinguishers and a safety cone. And they will also set out shock blocks. Once they're done, they'll just disconnect, pull up all their equipment, and they'll take off.